Completed in 1972, the Transamerica Pyramid reopened in 2024 following an extensive renovation. The architecture was so forward-thinking, it was immediately both controversial and world-famous, becoming an icon of the San Francisco skyline. The design studio strived to capture this innovative spirit, with interior lighting that establishes a clean, defined look that respects the fabric while being contemporary and articulated. At its peak, the renovation of the Beacon is redesigned with a state-of-the-art dynamic LED system, enabling the pyramid to transform day to night from plaza to pinnacle. One judge observed that the refined design language and technical execution exemplify an impressive force of regeneration and cultural significance, seamlessly harmonizing the building's historical context with contemporary demands.